Hey guys, David here and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, in today's video, XRP is on the verge of another major run. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, if you've been watching this channel anytime at all, you've heard about what it was like for Judy and I during that last bull run when this space literally took off. And a lot of these exchanges, their servers went down because it was a race to the trough and they could not even handle the traffic that was coming in. Now guys, do you think that this market stopped trading while they got those servers back up, taking them hours to do it? No guys, it did not. And it was around that time that Judy and I signed up with Caleb and Brown, our digital asset broker. And guys, this is Caleb and Brown right here. Now, the thing about Caleb and Brown is this: they are like any traditional broker. The only difference is you don't pay 1 cent to open up an account with Caleb and Brown. In fact, you can speak with your assigned broker as many times as you like, and there is no fee for it. And on top of that, should you choose to custody your assets with Caleb and Brown in their institutional grade custody, they don't even charge you a fee for that like Coinbase does with their vault or Uphold with their vault. There is no fee to have that institutional grade custody with Caleb and Brown. And guys, I can tell you right now, what a relief it was to be able to just pick up the phone and talk to our broker knowing we had access to these markets when it was total mayhem. And guys, we have a link right down there in every one of our videos where you can sign up with Caleb and Brown. And full transparency, if you use that link, they do pay us a referral fee. But whether you use that link or not, I'm going to tell you what, it is worth your while to look into Caleb and Brown as a viable off-ramp when you're really gonna need one. So guys, all of us have literally seen the absolute explosion that XRP has gone through literally just since election day. Truly phenomenal. In fact, if you go back and you look, you're going to find out that the price of XRP back on election day was somewhere around 38, 36 cents from the lows until boom, it literally went, guys, up to that $1.63. And right now, of course, what's happening? We're retracing to that prior resistance, of course, that we saw there. We're coming back to support. Now, like I said in Coffee Chat, I think we're absolutely going to hit that. It's going to be like a trampoline and XRP is going to fly. Now, guys, there's a lot of reasons why, but I want to show you some big time indicators right now that are happening that are showing where XRP is going literally on the verge of another major run. Now, guys, just check this article out right over here. Expert says XRP whales know something as they, get this, accumulate 50 million XRP in just 2 days. Listen to this right down here. Armando Pantoja, an angel investor with a decade of experience in the space, has boldly stated that whales accumulating XRP know something as they sustain a buying spree. Pantoja shared his view in a tweet on Monday. He cited data confirming that influential crypto investors have added 50 million, get that, tokens to their holdings. Notably, these are investors who typically hold between 1 million and 10 million XRP tokens. The accumulation occurred over the weekend, bringing their total XRP holdings to approximately 4.29 billion XRP. Now, guys, I want to throw something out there. We have all told our friends and family all about XRP and all this and that. While XRP was at 30, 40, 50, 60 cents and stuff like that. And I did it in my own family. Guys, one of my family members actually, had bought a little bit of XRP. Then XRP got to $1 and they were saying, hey, do you think it's still a good time to buy XRP? Before I could even get back to them, XRP flew off and went to $1.60. Amazing. And who's out there buying it big time? Wow, are these whales just gobbling up? I mean, over the weekend, 50 million more XRP at these higher prices. These whales are gobbling up. Guys, do you think they're doing that because they're expecting it to just come crashing back down to 30 and 40 cents? Not on your life. Listen to this right here. They valued at $6 billion, by the way. During the weekend, when they bought the 50 million XRP, its price ranged between $1.40 and $1.42. With XRP trading at $1.33 at price time, it implies these whales are currently seeing some unrealized loss from their latest acquisition. The accompanying Santana chart from Ali Martinez illustrates how whale accumulation has mirrored XRP price movements during dips and pumps. While XRP price is currently facing a downtrend, Pantoja stressed that the whales are positioning themselves for what's next with XRP. According to him, they definitely know something. Meanwhile, some market commentators have dismissed the significance of the recent whale accumulation, which in my estimation makes zero sense. I mean, guys, the amount of FUD, if they can pour water on it, they're going to pour water on it. But nobody goes out there and puts millions upon millions, 50 million XRP at $1.40 or $1.42 a piece. Guys, we're talking deca millions being put in there with the expectation that it's not going somewhere, right? Some have suggested that their actions are part of FOMO buying as XRP experiences an explosive price surge. FOMO buying, these are strategic institutional whales. Do you think they don't know how to gauge the market? They're not like retail guys, I'll tell you that. Meanwhile, instances of a similar whale accumulation trend have dominated this month. In the second week of November, whales deployed, get this, 526 million, over $500 million, to buy 453 million XRP tokens. This move elevated their holdings to the point where they controlled 18% of XRP's supply, the highest concentration in 2 months. As a result, the price of XRP responded favorably. Specifically, in that week that followed, XRP's price soared massively, breaking into the dollar price range. XRP hit $1.62 before the ongoing correction. Notably, proponents believe the current correction is merely a window of opportunity for those who missed the initial surge to accumulate XRP cheaply before the next wave of explosive price action. Guys, this is big. Now, something else that is really huge on this space is all of this partnership between Ripple and Arack, which we have heard a lot about. Now, they're saying in here it's going to pave the way for innovative developments on the XRP ledger. The recent partnership between Ripple and Arack is poised to reshape the landscape of blockchain finance through innovation. Get this, tokenized asset solutions. Guys, we're talking about institutional, real-world asset tokenization, and it is going to be big in my estimation. With this collaboration, Ripple aims to capitalize on the burgeoning market for tokenized assets, enhancing liquidity and accessibility for investors worldwide. Speaking on the partnership's potential, Duncan Moore of Arbon stated, real benefits are to be had from leveraging the efficiency of moving the end-to-end investment cash settlement process on-chain, 3 to 5 seconds for settlement, guys. The article explores Ripple's strategic partnership with Arack and its implications for the tokenized asset landscape as XRP Ledger launches a new money market fund. Ripple has made a significant leap in the introduction of the first ever tokenized money market fund on the XRP Ledger in partnership with Arack. This pioneering initiative integrates Arbon's well-established $4.77 billion, US dollar liquidity fund, reflecting considerable innovation in digital finance. This collaboration also positions Ripple at the forefront of a financial revolution, utilizing the XRP Ledger's capabilities to expand tokenized asset offerings and thereby, get this, attracting institutional investors and enhancing market liquidity. Guys, have we not been talking about this for months on end about how institutions are just biting at the bit to get into this space, and you're seeing it happen right before your very eyes? Where do you think this space is going? Into the multiple trillions. I'll tell you what, the evolution of tokenized financial products has gained momentum, underscored by recent findings that asset management in this sector has surpassed $1 billion, with an optimistic outlook projecting the value of tokenized assets reaching, there you are guys, $16 trillion by 2030. Ripple's investment strategy appears to align well with these market trends in a bold move to meet the increased demand. All these FUDs are saying there's no demand for all the XRP ledger can do, and on and on. What a load of baloney. For tokenized investments, Ripple has committed $5 million to acquire tokens from Urban's Lux Fund. This investment reflects Ripple's strategic vision to enhance the XRP ledger's utility within the financial ecosystem. Guys, it is absolutely wild. It is amazing to see what's taking on. Now listen to the conclusion here. This partnership between Ripple and Archax represents a pivotal moment in the trajectory of blockchain finance. Guys, basically, it is history making, promising greater accessibility and efficiency in investment processes. As tokenized funds gain prominence, the XRP ledger stands to benefit significantly, solidifying Ripple's position as a leader in the tokenization space. And guys, if you're thinking that the whole XRP ecosystem reaching $16 trillion by 2030, guys, it is going to blow the doors off of what most people's expectations are when you consider the market cap now to what it will be down the future. Now, just check this article out right here. XRP price on the Verge. Here's what Bollinger Bands show. And guys, since the beginning of November, the price of XRP has risen over 220% at its peak, and it's outdoing the entire market. And the token itself has become extremely popular and talked about again. After finding its peak at $1.63.4, XRP reached highs not seen since May of 2021, and then, as expected, began to correct, where it now trades around $1.36.7, 16.54% below its local high, according to the Bitstamp exchange. Despite all of the skepticism and heckling about XRP being an old-timer on a crypto market that is regularly under regulatory attack, at the same time, it has a large community of enthusiasts and investors. Guys, the FUD that has been thrown at us, I'm telling you what, if you've been able to withstand it, you deserve the accolades, because you have got diamond hands, to be sure. Everyone is interested in where the token will go next, and despite the fact that predicting the future on crypto market is hardly a rewarding activity because of volatility, we can turn to some indicators that can indicate the future direction of the token's price. Well, one such indicator is the Bollinger Bands, developed by trader John Bollinger, which shows the position of the price in relation to its averages, with 3 moving averages as examples. This colossal move in XRP was preceded by the maximum compression of these bands. Back then, You Today wrote that a major movements for XRP were coming, and they happened. Now the bands have opened, and the price of the token during all the disturbance of the last few days is below the upper curve, from which it had been falling for 3 days in a row, and that, guys, is healthy market activity. Now, according to rules of the Bollinger Bands, if the price of XRP fails to close its weekly candle above the upper band, i.e. to rise and hold above $1.65 by next Monday, then a retest of the middle range, now passing the dollar zone, so even if it retraces, guys, it's way above $1, becomes highly likely. In that case, one of the likely scenarios would be a drop in XRP of at least 27% from the current levels. Considering that the token has grown by 220% and the cumulative correction could be as much as 39% from the top, such a move would be considered quite healthy, and would in no way challenge the bullish bias that has formed around XRP. Guys, we are watching some major events take place, and we are seeing this bull run literally start to absolutely fire off. It's my personal conviction. XRP is probably percentage-wise going to outdo most of the digital assets in this space, and you watch partnerships like this start taking place on the XRP ledger, and over time bringing in $16 trillion for tokenized assets on these ecosystems. Guys, I think it's going to blow the absolute doors off, and I suspect that that is exactly what these whales are thinking when they went out there. XRP at the price of $1.40 and $1.42, and they bought 50 million more tokens. Guys, what does that tell you right there? I'll tell you what it tells me. They are not spooked one iota. And I may not be able to be a whale, but I can stack my pennies next to their dollars. And guys, I believe what's coming next is going to be absolutely mesmerizing. It is going to literally leave people absolutely gobsmacked. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.